So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can get advanced custom fields WordPress Pro WordPress plugin in just $5 with lifetime update and license key. Now I want to tell you this thing. If you purchase this plugin from us, then you will get all the add-ons absolutely free of cost. Now I will tell you how to purchase this plugin and how to install it in your website. So click on just buy now. Click on this buy now. Now here you have to fill your billing details and you have to go for the payment. Now after your payment will be done, you will get those files. This one is our main plugin file and this one is the add-ons file. We have the old add-ons also of 2025. If you want, then you can use it, or if it's not required, then skip it. License key file. Now I want to tell you this thing. If you are purchasing this product from us, then you will get all the updates with it. But if you are purchasing this from any other site, then they may sell you crack or null type of plugin which never updates, and this can create trouble for you. So choose file. Now this one is our main plugin file. So click on install now. Activate it. Now plugin is activated, as you can see. So this advanced custom fields pro. Okay, ACF. Now this one is our plugin. Now you see this, there will be an error. You see this, activate your license to activate updates. So you have to activate your license key, so which is there already downloaded. Done. You see this, license status active. Our license is activated. Now you can use this plugin. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel, and if there is any doubt you can just write in the description. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.